you guys want to see how to get this look right here without editing, just take a fresh picture. You look amazing, the makeup looks amazing, natural look. Stay here, don't skip, and watch all the video, guys. So first I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I don't have eyebrows, but it seems like I do have a lot of eyebrows, but I don't in real life. When you see my pictures on Instagram, if you haven't followed me, it's not Instagram and Snapchat, please follow me, because on there you can see me and you can see my makeup and you can see me and you can know my personality. But anyways, let's go back to the video. Why am I speaking like that? I don't know. But anyways, let's go back to the video. So I'm gonna take this brush. I got this brush like basically from eBay like two years ago. I don't know the brand, it doesn't have a brand, but it looks like this. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows, the eyebrows that I don't have. I cannot find my eyebrow pencil. I cannot find anything that I do use for my eyebrows today because I cannot be bothered to look. I'm just so tired, I cannot be bothered. But anyway, so I'm gonna use Huda Beauty, the rose gold palette. This is the old palette, this is not the new one, the old one. I'm gonna use the black. So this black right here, this black eyeshadow right there, I'm gonna use it for my eyebrow. It does work. Literally, trust me, it does work. So you don't need to buy expensive product for your eyebrow. Literally, you can use if your eyeshadow palette, if it's black or brown, you can use it. Trust me, you can use it and it looks still look good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use my Makeup Evolution Concealer, Full Coverage Concealer, C15 and C13.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm gonna take my Urban Decay primer, all night primer. MAC Studio Plus spray. I'll go ahead, I'm gonna use my color corrector from LA Girl primer.
Purchase your tracks today.
I look like I'm swearing if I use this finger, but I'm not swearing, guys. I think I love to use this finger because I think it blends my product really good. That's why I use that finger. Go ahead with my foundation by MAC Studio Plus NW50. That's my color shade.
Purchase your tracks today.
Makeup Evolution, and I'm gonna take C18. That's the darkest shade that you can find, I think. So I'm gonna take my banana powder and I'm just gonna put it in here. Again with the Huda Beauty palette, the gold rose gold palette. I want to go with this color right here. This is like a natural color. Only I want to use only this palette right here. Girls, so I'm gonna go in with my Mafi palette to 350 oh god. So I'm gonna go with the only natural colors. So I'm gonna go with this color and this color as well together. The eyelashes I'm using today is Dodo Eyelashes 3D. I got it from online ages ago. I love spraying my face. It's just amazing. This YNS lip gloss in number BLG 17.
Purchase your tracks